Hi everyone, this is my new unboxing. So what is actually inside this DHL box? Let's take a look. Very excited because this one just fly in from Switzerland. What is this? MB&F. Okay. So this is the package inside. This is the Mac 1 edition. What's inside here? Let's take a look. You can see from here, this is the Mac 1 Green, which is just released recently, the online lucky draw. You see, some people call this as the fidget spinner watch. This is the one in green. In the past, the first one is in blue, red, and this is the third one in green. Okay, for more in-depth review, please watch my next video.